still here when I need one. So good in here. Oh my. Oh, I could just sleep on that. Should I put this on the truck, guys? Oh, but we got chrome up. So we got some options here. I could get this oil leaking 20 ton. Look at that, 40,000 pound lifting capacity. It's a lot more than I need. Lift a couple trucks for that. But then down here with the floor jacks, and we only go up to 3 tons, and it's a combo, and that's just. Check it out, guys. So over here, the best cleaning stuff you can get. Simply Green, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Whoa. Alright, so guess we'll load it up. Don't want to get that dented one. Then I'll get one regular green one. So there we go. And then, you know, it's springtime, spring cleaning time and everything. You gotta clean up the vehicles. You got to use some all-purpose cleaner. There we go. We'll get one more. Boom. Alright guys, so I'm also probably going to pick this up, you know, to be a real man. Host cookout at my house, you know what I mean? All the trucks and then lots of burgers. Alright guys, check it on out. We got all the cleaning stuff, and I also bought, because the camera's about to die, the battery's going bad, bought a pack of Rayovac. So let me know if these are as good as Duracell. I read online that they are, so I bought a pack of these are cheaper. But now we're going to be good on microphone batteries. Woo! Alright guys, to sum it up in here, I mean, oh my gosh, it's just, the seats are so comfy. Please go out and sit in one. The back support, the lumbar support these offer you just obliterate Chevy and Ram, and it's just crazy. The steering wheel and the sound system and the visibility, man, that's really all. That's how I sum it up in this truck. It's very nice. I mean, let me open the hood and show you guys the worst part about this truck, and that really does throw me off, is that it's just basically impossible to work on. Let's open it. Door handles, look at those. Well, I mean, I guess these probably sit a little bit higher than the actual, well then again, I guess they're about the same height. I always saw the Rams that had the cabin chassis did sit a little bit higher than the rest. I don't know, they look about the same. There we go, first shot. So check it out in here. Oh wait, I forgot, this isn't even the powerstroke. But look at that, even the V10, which is ridiculous, the V10 has a lot more room than the 6.7 powerstroke only being a V8. There's so much more room in here. I guess most of it is emission stuff, but that's crazy how this has a lot more room than a V8 engine, a V10 or a V8. I guess it is bigger, you know, in every way. It's a nice truck though. So nice. It's just, oh my gosh. Now that is the emissions equipment. Look at that thing. Before, what we were looking at was the cat, but this is the DEF fluid. See, it just squirts that cat piss or whatever, the urea, into the thing, and it switches the pollutants into water vapor and then out the tailpipe. And I was saying, I smelled the Duramax after I went on that drive. Shortly after, I didn't smell anything. It smells like nothing. They really work, but I don't like them because they're not good. They always break, and they're not good for the engine. So there we go. This is basically what everything you see. It's simpler than it looks. Wait a minute. Look at that, certified clean idle. Great for Californians. Alright, let's open her up and see what we got going on here. Oh my gosh! How do you work on that? Would you be able to work on that?
No. You don't work on it?
Yeah, always bring it to the dealership. Shocks are making some noise. I do love the LED light right there. It's cool. loving that. Alright, so we got a battery here, battery right over there. So at least you can actually get to these. I know in some of the Fords it's a bit difficult. So yeah, air intake, I mean that wouldn't be too bad. That looks like it would actually be pretty easy to do an intake swap. But other than an intake swap, I mean anything else seems as if it would be pretty difficult to do. Oh man. It's just so, I don't even know. It's so crammed in here. I know the EGR is right here, so that would give you some room if you deleted it. But I mean the first year that they made this body style was the 17, so you're gonna be ripping your warranty out of the window. I'm loving these headlights, just especially I think it's the platinums that come all the way around. Man, I really grown to appreciate the Ford. I was always just Ram and Chevy was always my top, but now they're all about equal, to be honest. I don't know. Chevy first because that was my first truck, but still, holy cow. Doesn't look any simpler. The more I look at it, it never looks any simpler. Ford. Guys, temperature's dropping. Feeling a little chilly here. Eat some wings or something, right? So we got the two trucks here. Gosh, man, they do look good. I know a lot about all of them now, and gotta love them all. And they're really doing it. They're really doing it. The last one that I would buy, 17, that I would probably not buy is what I'm saying. The last one that I would buy would be the Chevy Duramax, because you can't tune the L5Ps, being that they're encrypted with a special hash, and they won't want people tuning them, deleting them, and everything. So that's probably the last thing I would do. If I were to buy a Duramax, it would be an LML, which same body style as of right now, so that's not really a problem. But yeah, man, gotta love both of these. It's tough, but probably just test drive one of them whenever they're open. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you love trucks as much as I do, hit that subscribe button. Peace out. I guess I'll talk more about it tomorrow, but I was thinking, you know, if I get to a certain subscriber number, I'd probably do some kind of truck giveaway. I'm not saying maybe not a brand new one, but let's say an old one, because I do want to build up an old one. I've never actually owned one before, so it'd be cool to buy one, get some steelies on it, get some giant tires, maybe take it off-road a little bit, and then give it away to subscribers. So let me know if that's a good idea or not. I think it is. Now that we thoroughly looked at the Ford Powerstroke, do you still hold your opinion of the Ram being the best?
Yes.